I'm gonna make a pen today and I'm showing off these kits. If you go to the website, in the description, they are a fraction of the price of everyone else. This is a click pen, gold ballpoint click pen kit. So I'm gonna work on that. I got the drill bit and the bushings. This is a 3/8 drill bit, or I think 9.5 millimeter. One thing I did when I started making pens, I made a little wood dish and I put a magnet in it, and that helps keep the bushings in it. This was one of the first things I made back in 2020 when I first started. This is a piece of driftwood. I'm not sure what it is, but it's Lake Erie driftwood. I have an idea that it is sycamore, but I'm not 100% sure. I've got it sanded. I'm gonna put a CA finish on it. This is Satellite City Medium. That's my favorite. It's gonna look good. It's gonna be very light. This is my abrasive paste. I'm down to the bottom. Now, to put the pen together, one thing I did notice is these kits don't come with instructions. They do have a QR code. Oh, this unscrews. Okay, so maybe that's where you put the replaceable part. And then this would press into there. I'll take that off. Need to move my press. I'll tell you, it's not easy to press these in, and I have had some from Penn Station, especially the slimline kits, where they go in too easy and then the pens come apart. So I like this. There we go. All right, that is in. Everything's lined up good. Put I think it's a Parker insert compatible. I've never made a click pen before. Look at that. Click pen. I don't know about the light with the gold. I guess it looks all right. Maybe a different wood would look better, but man, that was easy. That was easy. A nice click pen. There you go. So Strongink, check them out. Look at their prices. This is a nice pen kit. I don't care what price it is. Never mind the lower price. So check them out. There, you could seriously, if you're making these for a show or something, you can make some money with these because you're not paying all your money to the kit. So I love it. I'll cover up my Griswold extension with the pen so you can look at it.